Okay, here we go. So this is for those that don't know, we're building tabletop arcade machines in our technology and engineering courses. So last year, or a little bit ago, we built tabletop arcade machines. Actually, they were all wood. There's kind of a bit of an example, a half-finished one here. There's the carcass. It was all beautiful, nice 10 birch ply. This is one that a student did finish that they're going to work on this year. And we were using a Pandora's box as the brain. And there's the top that they did. And they had some laser graphics in the top, which is cool, little coating. And then they got to 3D print their nameplate, and that's all under epoxy, which is super awesome. And then we would put that on the CNC router, and we would cut all the holes, and then we pocketed the back sides on the CNC for the joysticks. Awesome project. It sucked up a lot of plywood, so it was a lot of resources, and the kids enjoyed the project. They enjoyed playing them, and the wood was fun, but it was super labor intensive. So I thought, is there a better way to maybe make one using our 3D printers? And then these were two-player machines we made before. So hey, what do we have to do to make them one player? Use a Raspberry Pi, and also use some Bluetooth controllers. So this is the product that came off the printer, so that's super cool. And there's the Goomba, kind of the art that they're going to put into the tops of themselves. And we've got a couple of pockets there for personalization. Player one, start select, all that's going to be filled with epoxy. And then on the back side, that's all pocketed for the joysticks and all laid out nicely. And I got so excited I wanted to toss the buttons in. So that's why it's got some of the arcade buttons already installed. Some holes for hinges. So that's great because it's going to attach the carcass through just some nice little steel hinges. And yeah, other than that, I think it turned out really nice. Issues? So I think right now, because we're going to be using SNES kind of remake controllers to get all the buttons wired to the Raspberry Pi, I think we're going to put in here, A, B, X, Y, left, right. I'm going to put those in the board, and then you're not guessing which buttons do which. And then the other issue I think that I can see with this is the clearance to that button there is going to be really tight. The carcass is going to have about a 1/4 inch wall. So it'd be nice if this pod of buttons maybe moved over, maybe a 1/4 inch. Yeah, maybe a 1/4 inch would be nice. So I might do that update. But all in all, as a prototype, this is awesome. This worked out really, really great. So it's about a 1/4 inch thick. I'm going to change some of the settings when we print the next one, but as a prototype, this worked out like 95%, so that's super awesome. So there you go. So just a quick update on the MAD tabletop arcade machine, which is fun, and the graphics in the board, which is fun, which is the personalizing, and yeah, we'll be back.